All right, so today I am reviewing Fast and Final Spackling. I actually order this a lot because I make tumbler toppers, and that's what I use it for. I think people use it for like drywall. Not 100% sure. Something with walls, but that's not what I use it for. I use it to make tumbler toppers. And these are what the tumbler toppers look like. These are just some of them. I make all different types, but you put it on your cup, 20-ounce cup, tumbler cup. But these are just a few that I've made. But I use the spackling as the white part. I use the Fast and Final spackling to make the tumbler toppers. So it's like super easy to use. That's why I love it, because there's different types of spackling that can be used. But I prefer the Fast and Final just because of the simple fact that it's so easy to use. Like I said, when you open it up, it's white. It's very soft. It's very soft when it comes out. I just dip it out. I put it inside of a piping bag and I make my tumbler toppers. It usually takes about 24 hours for the spackling to dry, but once it dry, it's dried. I haven't had any. I've been using this Fast and Final spackling for over a year. I haven't had any issues with it. It's great. If you're wondering if you should buy it, even for drywall, because if it works for a tumbler topper, it's definitely going to work for drywall. So if you're wondering if you should buy Fast and Final spackling, the answer is yes. Yes, buy Fast and Final spackling. It dries within 24 hours. It's easy to use, and you won't have any problems. So I highly suggest the Fast and Final spackling.